नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। I in Dr. Neelam Chakravarti from Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today we are discuss the topic concept of value and types. Now, and formation of values and values of Indian managers. Now, so let's start the topic. Concept of value and value in business management. Now, there are many ways in which the basic human values, truth, rightness, and peace, love, and non-violence can be practiced in the day-to-day and conduct of business. There are different aspects and of management such as marketing, finance, and individual relations and etc. But the most important aspect in management. Each country has its own and historical and cultural and background, and the Indian managers should not mechanically and copy practice from abroad, but should keep in mind the Indian milieu, our national ethos. Now discuss the value of managers. Management is the systematic and way of doing work in any field. Its task is to make people and capable of joint performance, to make their weakness and irrelevance and converted them into the strengths, and it strikes and harmony in working and equilibrium it through and actions and goals and achievements, plans and performance, products and market. Lack of management will cause and disclosures and confusions, unwasted delay, and distractions and even depressions. Unsuccessful management means managing men and money and materials in the best and possible way according to circumstance and environment. Most of the Indian enterprise today face conflicts. The tensions and law, efficiency and productivity, absence of motivations and lack of work culture and etc. And this is the perhaps and due to the reasons and that managers are moving ways from the concept of values and ethics. The lawyer for maximize and profit is deviating and them from the values based managerial behavior, and there is need for managers to develop a set of values, briefs that will help and they attain the ultimate goals of profits and survival and growth. Now, they need to develop the following values. First is the optimum utilizations of resource. The first session is in the management science is to and choose uh, wisely and utilize optimally to scarce resource to success in the business ventures. Now, second is the attitudes towards work. Now, managers have a developed visionary and perspective in this work, and they have to develop a sense of the large visions in their work for the common goods and work commitment. Sorry, and work commitment. Managers have to work and with deductions and deducted workmen and work for the sake of work. Through results are important and performance should not always be based on expected benefits. And they should focus on the quality of performance. The best means of effective work and performance is to become the work itself and attending the state of nishakarma is the right attitude to work, and because it prevents an ego and the mind from thinking about features and gain or losses. The managers should and resource on the resilience and promote term work. Sharing and cooperations harming and trust and sacrificing lawyer needs for hire and goals seeking other in you and yourself in other etc. The work must be done and with detachment, deprecified on the intelligence in best style, and for those and who sincerely and believe in the supremacy of the organizational goal as compared to narrow personal success and achievement. Now, so thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.